Hey guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with y'all how I do my eyebrows. So a eyebrow routine. I'm going to show you how I take care of my eyebrows, some tips, and how I fill in my eyebrows. So please stick tuned to the video, and if you're not, make sure you are subscribed to become part of my family. And yeah, let's get on to the video. I use this LED light mirror I'm not going to flash it at y'all because I don't want to blind y'all with the light. But this is really nice. I'll link it down below because I got it on Amazon. I really like it just because my room doesn't have the best lighting, so I get really good lighting with this to really see all the eyebrow hairs and stuff to pluck, and when I fill in my eyebrows, it's just really nice lighting. So I really like that mirror. It's a great choice for if you have lighting problems or just for some extra lighting. So I usually go in with that mirror and pluck my eyebrows. So yeah, firstly I pluck my eyebrows. I don't really go in and get them waxed just because it's just more money, and I don't know, I can just pluck them and it looks fine. That's what I've been doing for years now. So yeah, about every 2 weeks I go in with a spoolie brush and scissors just to help, because your eyebrows still grow like your natural hair does. And I go in with my spoolie and I brush them up, and I cut any hair that's pretty long. I don't really have that bad right now. I don't remember when I last did it. But yeah, I don't know if you can see, but I don't know. If you want full eyebrows, then I don't know. It just it's easier to work with when they're not your hair isn't that long. So but no, so I just kind of brush it up and cut any really long eyebrow hairs, just because for me it's easier to fill in my eyebrows when they're not really long and thick. It's just easier when it's just maintained a certain length. So I don't really know how to do this over the camera because I have to hold my mirror, but we'll try this. Okay, I'm gonna look in this mirror right over here, sorry. Just kind of, and then you just kind of keep brushing and trimming. Then once it gets to the tail, I brush it down and then trim. Then I kind of brush it to the side right here and trim a little bit more. Just kind of be careful so you don't cut any skin or anything. I'm gonna do some of my makeup, my face makeup, and then I'll come to the part where I actually do my eyebrows, because I do my foundation and face makeup and then I go do my eyebrows and then my eye makeup. That's just how I apply my makeup. I know some people do their eyebrows first and then their foundation, or even eyebrows and eyes and then foundation. It really is just up to you, but I will be showing you how I'm filling in my eyebrows in just 1 second. Firstly, I'm going to talk about the products that I use for my eyebrows, and that is, I first start off with filling my eyebrows and with the Anastasia Duo Powder and Chocolate, and it just looks like this, and it's just a duo powder, so there is a light shade and then a darker shade. I only use the darker shade to fill in my eyebrows, and I'll show you how I use it. But this is really what I just used. This is just my everyday eyebrow powder. I do my eyebrows when I do my makeup with this every day. I do have a product that I sometimes use with this, but this is my go-to eyebrow. I've tried the Dip Brow, I've tried the Wiz, and stuff, the pencils and stuff that Anastasia has, but I really like how the powder just makes it look very natural. And sometimes when I have a bad eyebrow day, I say bad eyebrow day just because like sometimes my eyebrows don't want to cooperate with me when filling them in. So sometimes I go in with this, and this is the MAC eyebrow pencil. It's in spiked, and I got this in my BoxyCharm, and I love it. The two products I use are the Anastasia Clear Eyebrow Gel, and it's just clear eyebrow gel like it says, and it just really keeps my eyebrows staying put and the hairs don't go whirr. So yeah, so I really like this. And if I need to clean up my eyebrows, sometimes I try not to have to put another concealer or anything on my face, but if I do need to like clean up some edges or whatnot, I just use a random concealer. This is the one that I usually go to. It's, I believe, again, I've had this for a while, but I believe this is the CoverGirl like stick concealer. Don't know what color it is or anything because everything is worn off on it, but it's really nice. It's like I just get my pencil and just use it and clean up my eyebrows. You'll see how if I need to clean anything up. Of course, like I just said, I use just the dark color in this duo, and I have this Eco Tools eyebrow brush. This is just what I have had forever, and I just use it for my eyebrows. I really like it. So I just dip in lightly. I just tried to get as little as possible product because I don't want it to be so harsh. I want it to be light and natural, so just a little bit of product. And I start in the beginning of my eyebrow, which is right about here, but I give a little bit of space, maybe like to here. Like this is where I start, here and behind. So I'm going to start that. And here's a tip that I've learned is if you tilt your chin like this, then you can really see the underneath of your eyebrow to get an accurate point, and it's just, I don't know. And same with eyeshadow. If you tilt your head, you'll see your crease and everything better when you're blending in eyeshadows in a certain area. So that's just a tip. So I'm going to start right about here. And the real, like, another tip is just to be very light-handed at this. I'm going to go a little bit. Yeah. And you just want to go the same way as your eyebrow hairs are going, which is kind of easy to know where they're going. They're usually going, like, straight or this way, like, going down. Then I'm just going to bring this color all the way down. And you want to try to get your tail angled to the end of your eye. So like if you get a pencil, you can see the end of the eye is right about there. I might accidentally do it a little bit longer at times, but that's what you're supposed to do. And just knowing your eyebrow and knowing what kind of shape and looks great with your face, really having the right shape of eyebrows really changes your face. So maybe the shape of eyebrow doesn't look good on you. Maybe you need to try out another one. Like, you can be experimentative. I think this eyebrow is my favorite because it's just easier to work with. Go in with this MAC brush and just darken it up down in the tail area. Honestly, I don't think there's anything to clean up on this eyebrow, so I'm just going to go in with the Anastasia gel and gel my eyebrows. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not, make sure you subscribe and hit the little notification little button so you get notified when I post a video next. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!